Hello YouTube. Welcome to Secret Facts. 30 interesting facts about Earth.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.
Introduction. Alien worlds may be all the rage, with their mystique and promise, but the orb we call home, planet Earth, has all the makings for a jaw-dropping blockbuster movie, from the drama of explosive volcanoes, past meteor crashes and catastrophic collisions between rocky plates to the seeming fantasy of the ocean's deep abysses swirling with odd life and tales of the coldest, hottest, deepest, highest, and all-out extreme spots. We pawed through our archives to gather together just 30 of the most amazing and interesting facts about Earth. Enjoy the journey. 1. We're the third rock from the Sun. Our home, Earth, is the third planet from the Sun and the only world known to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, oceans of liquid water on the surface and the big one life. Earth is one of the 4 terrestrial planets, like Mercury, Venus, and Mars. It is rocky at the surface. 2. Earth is a squashed sphere. Earth is not a perfect sphere. As Earth spins, gravity points toward the center of our planet, assuming for explanation's sake that Earth is a perfect sphere, and a centrifugal force pushes outward. But since this gravity-opposing force acts perpendicular to the axis of Earth, and Earth's axis is tilted, centrifugal force at the equator is not exactly opposed to gravity. This imbalance adds up at the equator, where gravity pushes extra masses of water and Earth into a bulge, or spare tire around our planet. 3. The planet has a waistline. Mother Earth has a generous waistline. At the equator, the circumference of the globe is 24,901 miles, 40,075 kilometers. Bonus fact, at the equator, you would weigh less than if standing at one of the poles. 4. Earth is on the move. A true color image taken on May 5, 2000, by an instrument aboard NASA's Terra spacecraft, over the North Pole, with sea ice shown in white and open water in black. You may feel like you're standing still, but you're actually moving fast. Depending on where you are on the globe, you could be spinning through space at just over 1,000 miles per hour. People on the equator move the fastest, while someone standing on the North or South Pole would be perfectly still. 5. The planet moves around the Sun. Oh yeah, and the Earth isn't just spinning, it's also moving around the Sun at 67,000 miles, 107,826 kilometers, per hour. 6. Earth is old. Researchers calculate the age of the Earth by dating both the oldest rocks on the planet and meteorites that have been discovered on Earth. Meteorites and Earth formed at the same time, when the solar system was forming. Their findings? Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. What may be the oldest known rocks on Earth, called the Nouveau-Jurassic Belt on the coast of the Hudson Bay in northern Quebec, and dating back to 4.28 billion years ago, scientists estimate. 7. The planet is recycled. The ground you are walking on is recycled. Earth's rock cycle transforms igneous rocks to sedimentary rocks to metamorphic rocks and back again. Along the way, of course, sedimentary rocks can be re-eroded or metamorphic rocks re-uplifted. But if metamorphic rocks get caught in a subduction zone where one piece of crust is pushing under another, they may find themselves transformed back into magma. Our moon quakes. Earth's moon looks rather dead and inactive. But in fact, moonquakes, or earthquakes on the moon, keep things just a bit shook up. Quakes on the moon are less common and less intense than those that shake Earth. According to USGS scientists, moonquakes seem to be related to tidal stresses associated with the varying distance between the Earth and Moon. Moonquakes also tend to occur at great depths, about midway between the lunar surface and its center. 9. Alaska had the largest earthquake. Alaska earthquake March 27, 1964. The Four Seasons Apartments in Anchorage was a 6-story lift slab reinforced concrete building which cracked to the ground during the quake. Credit, USGS, image credit, USGS. As of March 2016, the largest earthquake to shake the United States was a magnitude 9.2 tremor that struck Prince William Sound, Alaska, on Good Friday, March 28, 1964. Photos shows the Four Seasons Apartments in Anchorage, a 6-story lift slab reinforced concrete building, which cracked to the ground during the quake. And the world's largest earthquake was a magnitude 9.5 in Chile on May 22, 1960, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS. 10. The hottest spot is in Libya. The fiery award for Earth's hottest spot goes to El Azizia, Libya, where temperature records from weather stations reveal it hit 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 57.8 degrees Celsius, on September 13, 1922, according to NASA Earth Observatory. There have likely been hotter locations beyond the network of weather stations. 11. The coldest places in Earth. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth came from Russia's Vostok station, where records show the air plunged to a bone-chilling -128.6 degrees F, -89.2 degrees C, on July 21, 1983, according to the USGS. 12. Antarctica is an extreme continent. The southern continent is a place of extremes, with the Antarctic ice cap containing some 70% of Earth's fresh water and about 90% of its ice, even though it is only the 5th largest continent. 13. The magnetic pole creeps. Earth has a magnetic field because of the ocean of hot, liquid metal that sloshes around its solid iron core, or that's what geophysicists are pretty certain is the cause. This flow of liquid creates electric currents, which, in turn, generate the magnetic field. Since the early 19th century, Earth's magnetic north pole has been creeping northward by more than 600 miles, 1,100 kilometers, according to NASA scientists. The rate of movement has increased, with the pole migrating northward at about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, per year currently, compared with the 10 miles, 16 kilometers, per year estimated in the 20th century. 14. There's a tie for tallest mountain. Mount Everest. And the title for tallest mountain goes to, either Mount Everest or Mauna Kea. The summit of Mount Everest is higher above sea level than the summit of any other mountain, extending some 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, high. However, when measured from its true base to summit, Mauna Kea takes the prize, measuring a length of about 56,000 feet, 17,170 m, according to the USGS. 15. Earth once had 2 moons. This computer illustration depicts a collision between Earth's moon and a companion moon that is 750 miles wide and about 4% of the lunar mass. This late, slow accretion could explain the moon's far-side highlands, scientists say. Earth may once have had 2 moons. A teensy second moon spanning about 750 miles, 1,200 kilometers, wide may have orbited Earth before it catastrophically slammed into the other one. This titanic clash may explain why the 2 sides of the surviving lunar satellite are so different from each other, said scientists in the August 4, 2011, issue of the journal Nature. Hey, check out the part 2 of this video. If you want to know amazing facts about science, technology and international national politics, link in the description or click on the I button or in end scene. If you new in this channel, see others video also.